I'm happy to say we have a proclamation before us on behalf of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. Kinship Care Awareness Month, whereas nearly 3 million children in the United States are being raised in kinship care by grandparents, aunts and uncles, other relatives, and close family friends when parents are unable to do so for themselves, challenging family situations, and whereas the 2019 American Community Survey indicates that more than 3,000 grandparents in Fairfax County are responsible for raising their grandchildren or the children of close family friends, and whereas kinship care caregiving is found in all socioeconomic, educational, ethnic, and racial backgrounds, providing many opportunities as well as unique challenges, and whereas every child deserves the opportunity to grow and learn in a supportive, loving, safe home environment while retaining a sense of family, cultural heritage, and community. And whereas public and private organizations in Fairfax County are committed to working together to celebrate the strengths and address the challenges of kinship care families, now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim September 2020 as Kinship Care Awareness Month in Fairfax County and urges all residents to acknowledge and celebrate the importance of kinship caregivers and the children they're raising in stable, loving, and nurturing households.
Hi, I'm Stephany MacKay. I am a mother of four and a grandmother of four, and I wanted to thank Chairman McKay and the Board of Supervisors for recognizing Kinship Care Awareness Month and allowing me to share my family story. Kinship Care began helping our family in March of 2019 through April of 2020 when my eldest daughter and her husband were no longer able to take care of their three sons. The two oldest, who are 13 and 11, moved in with us, and my 13-year-old daughter in Fairfax, and then the 4-year-old who needed a lot of daily care as expected, moved in with my parents in Loudoun County during the work week. As my parents are in their 80s, and it's been many years since they've had to take care of the little one, the kinship care specialist, Albertine, and her manager, Anne, worked to help fund kinder care preschool around the corner from their home. I mean, it was a lifesaver. They were able to get their personal business done during the day, take a nap and rest. And then when my grandson would come home from school, from a day of learning and fun and play, he was able to have some very special one-on-one time with his great-grandparents. Worked out really, really well, and we're very thankful for that. Albertine would also, in addition to visiting them on a monthly basis, at school and at home, she would visit us, and she even made my daughter feel very special, of course, in addition to my two grandsons, and she really looked out for what services that, we could use. I was, driving them at the time 6 days a week to extracurricular activities because their parents were no longer able to help, and it was very, very difficult. So they arranged a driving service for us because I couldn't really afford it. And so 3 out of the 5 days of driving a week or 6 days of driving a week was covered for about 6 months, which was huge. Kinship Care provided a lot of assurance during a very uncertain time in our entire family's life. And where there was self-doubt, confusion, and sometimes even fear for the kids. I mean, it was really difficult time, and Kinship Care really helped a lot. And Albertine, personally showed, went above and beyond to make the kids, the children feel special, especially during the holidays, which is very important. So I wanted to thank again the Board of Supervisors for your continued support in highlighting kinship care givers in Fairfax County and the need for these services. I also wanted to thank the Department of Family Services for their work and their continued advocacy. and really do hope this important program will continue to be available for current and future generations. So thank you very much.